welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, how to style your natural hair like the Korean. Yeah, whether male or female, I got you covered. So if you actually like different styles tutorials, this is the place to be. So make sure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel, and you can also like this video, share it out, talk to me via the description or the comment section. That is the description, that is where my socials are at. Anyways, let's get right into it. You need your hair like that, and then some oils and a comb to make it perfect. Okay, because of my type of hair, I am using this type of oil, that is almond oil. Hair food moisturizes and conditions. So I'm just going to pick a little bit of it and then apply onto my hair. This is it. Make sure the kind of moisturizing oil that you're putting on your hair is the best and the most ideal for your hair. Okay, let me add some more. It's been a while actually before I applied these oils. Can divide it, can divide my hair like that and choose to apply at the same time. You can also do the same. Divide your hair into different portions and then apply the oils like that. Different portions. Not forgetting you have some hair at the back. Actually now, this is going to enable me to handle my hair much easily. So I wish I did this. And then, so what you do at this step is you straighten your hair using a blow dry or the other whatever that we use. Mine I had actually straightened let's say is it 2 days ago? Yeah, it's like 2 days ago. That is when I had straightened my hair. So you can do that. And remember, while straightening your hair, what you do is in most cases ili ishike means so that it can be straightened. It can be straightened well. What you do is you wash your hair and then you do the blow drying, the hair straightening. So let me comb mine because I'd already done so. So after straightening, comb. I'm using this big comb so that first I can try and detangle it. If there is any tangling that has taken place. Yeah, I had planted some here in the front. So yeah, this is the big comb. Actually this is a big comb if you have this kind of hair, the African hair. But do you know even the Africans have different types of hair? So if you have this one, you can start by using such a big comb with big, what are these called? What do you call them? Yeah, you can tell me in the comment section. And then afterwards, I'm going to go in with this one, the one that is smaller. The ones you have told you, tell me in the comment section. So guys, make sure that you like this video. So even while straightening, you can also use the big comb and then use the small comb. It helps to avoid your hair shading off, being cut, yeah. So like that, comb your hair towards the back. here goes my hair. And for some people, you may need some trimming to do, so you can look for a scissor to cut that hair. But this girl, I'm going to give you the trick what I am going to do. So like this video, share it out, talk to me, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Yeah, so up to that point, your hair is at the back. So this is where the trick is. You'll not divide at the center, you're going to divide here on the side. Okay, so like that. Not really a straight line, don't make it seen to be seen. To comb it like that from the inside going out. So from here, these other hairs, we're just going to pick a little bit. Don't comb from inside, just from the top, and then bring it to the front, like from the center. So from here, these other hairs, you're just going to pick a little bit. Don't comb from inside, just from the top, and then bring it to the front, like from the center area, and then you comb it like that. Already we have gone an extra mile, the first big step of which is arranging the hairs at the front. So for most people, we'll just leave it like that, and then the hair at the back, now it's the one you're going to force to lie down. And voila, you're good to go. That is easier, the first way in which you can just do it. Make sure you have such earrings and a polo neck to make it really complete. So the hair at the back, we're going to seem as if we're tucking it inside, because like you're folding it in a way, but it's to lie right there. And so if you want it like to be like completely like that, what you need is to now trim these hairs on this side and this side. But your girl here is not going to trim her African hair right now unless this video gets to 1 million views. And it's possible. Unless this video gets to 1 million views. So there you have it. You can do like this to make it complete. Go to like this video and watch out for my other uploads. On the mirror it looks exactly, but I don't know why.